Influenza, or flu as it's more commonly known, is a serious virus that can make people very ill. Flu is transmitted through the air and in bodily fluids. It affects the body cells in our respiratory system. Press the buttons to move forward or repeat this section. When influenza virus enters the body, it will bind to the body cells in the nasal passages. It does this using its receptors. Tap the screen to see the influenza cell come into contact with the body cell. The virus enters the cell as something called a coated vesicle. Once inside, it uncoats itself. Now only the DNA of the influenza virus is left. This is known as RNA. This RNA is transported to the nucleus of the cell. Within the nucleus, the genetic material makes lots of copies of the influenza virus. The virus also reprograms the cell's ribosomes to make virus proteins, which are then transported to the cell membrane. These are the receptors of the virus. The virus leaves the cell and its proteins attach, so it's ready to bind with and infect more cells. Press the button to move forward or repeat this section. How is flu transmitted? A. By touching other people. B. Through the air. C. By blinking. Which cells are affected by flu? A. Body cells. B. Red blood cells. C. White blood cells. What does flu do inside the body? A. Just stay there. B. Throw a party. C. Bind to cells using receptors. That answer was incorrect. When flu gets inside the body, it binds to cells using receptors. Now the quiz is over. It's time to put the influenza back into the jar. Touch the screen and guide the virus into the jar. Flu transmission can be prevented by washing your hands. There is also a vaccination if you are at risk of getting flu, which helps protect your body from infection.